Hey, this is Chuck bringing you another truck. Today we've got a 2020 VNL860 with a little surprise on the inside. This truck's equipped with an ARI installed wet bath system that has a shower, sink, and toilet. This 2020 is equipped with a 455 horsepower D13 Volvo engine with an I-shift automated transmission. This unit's got 546,000 miles on it. It's been fully detailed inside and out, as you can see. It's very clean. This truck has TPMS sensors in all the wheels. It's equipped with a Carrier APU to run that sweet shower on the inside. As we come around to look at the interior, you'll find that it's very clean. It's been meticulously maintained by a driver that truly cared before. This unit's out of our leasing fleet. You'll see it's got 2 heated back cycler seats, as well as a heated windshield. Heading back to the bunk is where this truck will truly stand out. It is equipped with a refrigerator, and here's that shower unit. You got your sink, toilet, and your shower head. Storage cabinets up top, also fitted by ARI. If you want to come take a look at this truck, reach out to Chuck, 920-539-8134, or visit our website at creettrucks.com. Thank you.